Hey, Daddy.
Yes?
I have a joke.
What's your joke?
What did the shark say when he ate a clownfish?
What did the shark say when it ate a clownfish?
That tastes funny.
Hello, everybody, and welcome back. So, Zosia, what did we do this week?
We made an aquarium rack!
That's right, we made an aquarium rack. So, we needed space for all the cool builds that we're going to do. And we built a very cool rack, super cheap, and in a way that anybody can do it. So, what did we use for materials?
Cinder blocks and wood.
Cinder blocks and strips of wood from the hardware store. That's right. And why did we use cinder blocks?
Because they have a very high crushing strength.
That's right. Cinder blocks don't like getting squished. And why is that important when you're putting aquariums on things?
Well, aquariums are very heavy.
Aquariums are very, very heavy. So cinder blocks are the perfect material to use when you don't want something that's going to buckle under all that weight. So we made a cool time-lapse video of us doing this build. You can find lots of videos on YouTube that show how to build these, but this is ours. And hopefully everybody enjoys. And what do you say?
Like and hit that subscribe button.
Subscribe and have fun.
1, 2, 3, 4.